So I got this package the other day, as my old knife is starting to get really crooked. It's kind of easy to see here, and that's from using it, like bending it. So I'm going to keep using it like that, but it also have a few not so nice marks on there, so I needed some new blades. So I got this pack, Fimo, with 3 blades in there. I don't remember what brand this was, but it was not Fimo and it was not this one, so I'm looking forward to see what this is. Let's get into it. Yep, there we go. So there should be 3 blades in here. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, they are here, all of them. Good. And these are actually sitting on the wrong side of the blade from the start. I don't know what to say about that. So let's place these 2 at the right side. There we go. It's stronger than this one, but this is also the very bendy one from the package I got. And these are all 3 very strong. That's nice if you want to cut something straight. And this blade comes with this bendy one and a straight like these, and then a wavy one that I still have, but my straight one has disappeared. I don't know where it is. So I'm happy to get a straight one again, and it's nice sharp. I think this is really a good blade, but I will be trying it off in the future and see how it is. Nice that they have these rubber grips with them, but you could make them yourself from a piece of Fimo or polymer clay if you like to. But yeah, that's what you get in the pack, and yeah, I think it's worth the money. It looks like they're worth the money. So I'm happy for my new blade. So happy crafting.